Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to Trading Recap, Day 13. Today we took a $250 win. And basically, what we got off of London session was our first manipulation and our buys for the day. Came off of a manipulation of Asian highs. So then we were targeting shorts off of market open until market opened and swept out this liquidity here. And we were still looking for shorts, but what I would have needed to enter would have been a break of structure out of that, which we didn't end up getting. So I didn't end up entering off of that, which was chill as frick, not entering with that. So yeah, and then we sweep out London lows, and then off of that we get a break of structure. So then we scale down to the 1 minute, and at the same time we close on the 5 minute after pushing into the order block, we get a 1 minute break of structure. So off of this point right here, we're entering and we're targeting London highs and previous day, well, an hourly high of the previous day, and both of those get smashed, so those are take profit points. I know right here it says like 0.63 risk to reward, but I literally just like my stops like were like here, but just to make it 1-to-1, I just moved my stops like up to here, and as you can see, it gets hit within like 2 minutes. And then after that got hit, I moved my stops to break even, and then we hit our break even point. So we wouldn't lose anything after we hit our first take profit point. And off of this, the reason I didn't actually get one, like I risked for it $180. The reason I didn't actually get one risk to reward was because I only closed 50% up here, and then my second target, which I would have fully closed my position, would have been just somewhere within these highs here. I would have closed the rest. And as you can see, you can't really see the risk to reward because it won't let you. But, yeah, it would have been pretty good if I got all the way up there. But we didn't. Like, this is basically like the smallest win I could have possibly taken. One risk to reward, and we only hit take profit one. So, like, literally, and it was like barely even one anyways. Like, getting myself 250 is just being like generous. I know it's also like late. Like, I've just been like kind of busy today. Like, just doing crap, honestly. What else was there? This was like also really good execution. I didn't have like any fear or hesitation off of this. Yeah, we entered after 9:40, which was our rule for entries. Can't enter before 9:40 because usually when that happens, you get stopped out. But it didn't matter here. It's 9:44. We were able to enter. Followed my trading plan. Yeah, but I was just a little too hyped after this win. Like those are the only things I could really like improve on with this. And if you look over here, you might count this as a missed move. It's not, because we had FOMC like press conference stuff come out at 2, and then at 2:30 we also had more stuff come out. And then after it comes out at 2:30, we barrel run to the downside. And then I don't know what actually caused the move up. It probably was more freaking news, and because of all the liquidity sweeps piling up. But after we get this to happen, we sweep out the liquidity, and I think the news fully comes out, and it turns out to just be like a fake news or something, and then everyone buys back, and we push out and take out all-time highs. But my only issue with this is this like sells us for tomorrow, because if you look on the 1 hour, our targets are all the way down here, like if we're entering for shorts. And like, how do we get a retracement here? How would we ever retrace all the way back down to here? But I tried looking to see if I could take this entry. Obviously I wouldn't because it's too late in the day. But as you can see, what we get here is a break of structure out of the order block. Order block is actually right here. Yeah, we break of structure out of the order block. We don't retrace back into it, and we don't hit any sort of fair value gap. But we do hit equilibrium right here. So, boom, enter. Actually, no, we don't break structure. Actually, no, we do. We didn't get an inverse for value gap. Yo, boom, EQ enter right here, and then target all this friggin' stuff that's been building up. But as you can see, these take profits, my take profit 2 does actually also get hit. If I had my stop loss below the order block, which honestly, like, I still wouldn't have, because after take profit 1 gets hit, my stop losses are at break even. But if I had my stop loss within the order block, it would have bounced here for a little bit, and then I would have hit a little bit better of a trade, but ideally that's not what we're doing. If it just like ripped up off of this, then I would have made the profit, but it didn't. So no trades, or not no trades. We took finally a winner. What I tell you guys, I told you literally yesterday, I said we were bound for a retracement. What do we get? A retracement. Might be small. We're still down on the month by like 250, but it's easily, like, we can easily make that. I know it's like only 2 more trading days, and if I don't get that within the next 2 trading days, I have to do another month before I can do the funded challenge. But I'm not gonna change anything. I'm not gonna be emotional. I'm not gonna over risk or any of that. I'm gonna trade following my trading plan. Honestly, if I take like one more winner, like, it doesn't even have to be like big. If I take one more winning trade and I don't lose the rest of the week, I might just give myself this month. Or I might give myself some more time, but I really want to be doing that by October. But dude, honestly, that might be it. You guys want some crypto advice? I could give some freaking advice here. Because I ideally with crypto, you're trading off of weekly sweeps, but daily sweeps, I'm pretty sure they work too. Because on Sol right now, and like almost all these pairs here, like XRP, Sol, Dogecoin, all those pairs I'm looking for entries on. Like, I just need a break of structure above this high here, and then I need a retracement on Sol. Dogecoin, same thing, break of structure and a retracement. Oh, my throat is killing me. My throat is like so scratchy and dry right now. I'm so thirsty. And I'm out of water. Yeah, same thing with XRP. Just need a break of structure retracement. We already had the big boring move, but that doesn't mean we can't get another move. But XRP I'm a little cautionate about because we made equal lows here. Because this liquidity right here didn't get swept off this move down. So I'm pretty sure price is likely going to sweep out these lows before going long. XRP, I might just not enter with XRP. Get off of my screen. But Dogecoin and Sol, I'm so willing to enter on. Like, definitely Sol. Like, this is the most I'm looking for. We're looking for take profits here at this daily high. Ideally for this, it's like I have 2 take profits. I'm closing 40 at 1 and then another 40 at 2, and then I'm just leaving 20 that's just gonna like float, and then I'll take it out if we hit like a weekly high all the way up here. Like, just in case I could catch like a big bull run move. Because you don't want to like miss it, but like you also want to make profit. So ideally we're trying to make more profit off of the move we invested in. And also because right here we just swept weekly liquidity and then got a push out of it. So then ideally it's like, okay, well then literally we can just probably enter here. And this could literally be the move up that's going and gonna take out this liquidity here. So I want to just leave some in there just in case because it could still happen. Yo, that's so good, bro. Oh, okay, well. Yeah, it's like 11:15. I'm tired, bro. Yeah, that's probably gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading recaps. Leave a comment down below if you need help with anything trading related. And I will see you guys in our next video tomorrow when I wake up. Yo, wait, low key, do you guys want me to start doing like live trading videos? Like, I'll record like when I'm freaking like actually taking the trade, because then I could actually look back on that and see how I reacted. I might honestly do that. Yeah, tomorrow we're looking literally like fricked, but maybe we could catch a small move tomorrow. Honestly, tomorrow I might end up taking a loss, but let's not jinx ourselves. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.